Hey guys, so today I thought we would do a little DIY gift that's super simple. Even your kids can do it. It's a nice little project. So I got everything at locally at our store in town here, and we live in a small town. So if I can find them, you guys can probably find them pretty much anywhere. But this one is a Dead Sea salt. This was $4 for 2.2 pounds. And you want to always make sure you check the ingredients on this stuff. So this one just lists salt. And then this is Epsom salt. This is just plain Epsom salt. Sometimes the same brand you'll find, and it'll be pre-scented. You do not want that one because it does have artificial scents in it. But this one is just the plain Epsom salt, so that's what you're looking for. And this was, I believe, $5 for 6 pounds. And then I also bought a little bit of pink salt, which you can, this is optional, but I was gonna layer our salt in this little canning jar. So this is a canning jar, it's a plain one that didn't have any lines or print on it. And this was a 12 pack for $7 and some change. So what we're gonna do is I mixed a half a cup of the Epsom salt and the sea salt together. And we're gonna just layer it in our canning jar. And if you wanna scent this, if you wanna give it like a little peppermint scent or orange or whatever you want, go ahead and put your essential oils into your salt first and mix them up, and then go ahead with the layering. So we'll do a little bit of each one alternating. It's gonna look like a little candy cane here once we get it going. We'll go back and forth between the two. Let's give it a little kind of Christmas theme here. And here we go. So that's super, super quick and simple. Makes a great little gift that your kids can do. You can see we did the pink salt and the white salt, so it's a little bit striped. And then what I did for the lid was cut out a little paper here to stick on the top. I showed you guys this in the other video. But then on top of that, you can just write that it's, you know, candy cane, bath salt, use a half a cup or whatever per bath and let it dissolve. And then I grab these cute little labels and we'll tie them on. And then you have a great, quick and easy DIY gift that you can give out this holiday season, or your kids can give out. And it looks like that. Or you can just make it for yourself for a nice relaxing salt detoxifying bath to do a little self-care this holiday season. So I hope you guys like it. If you give it a try, go ahead and take a picture, post it in the Facebook group, and let us know what you think.